The universe is moving at billions of miles per hour. Galaxies are colliding. Stars are dying. Black holes are bending reality itself. And right now, as you sit here watching this video, something far stranger is happening around you. Time is passing. Or at least, that's what your brain wants you to believe. But according to Richard Feynman, one of the greatest scientific minds in history, our understanding of time may be completely wrong. Not slightly wrong. Completely wrong. Because modern physics suggests something terrifying. The past may still exist, the future may already be real, and the flow of time itself could be nothing more than an illusion created inside your mind. Think about that for a second. Every memory you've ever had, your childhood, your happiest moment, your worst mistake, you assume those moments disappeared forever. Gone. Dead. Buried in the past. But physics says maybe they never left. Maybe every moment of your life still exists somewhere in the fabric of reality. And if that sounds impossible, good. Because the deeper scientists looked into time, the more horrifying the universe became. For thousands of years, humans believed time was simple. A clock ticks forward. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow hasn't happened yet. It feels obvious. Natural. But nature doesn't care about human intuition. Then came Albert Einstein. Einstein shattered reality forever when he revealed something unbelievable. Time is not constant. It bends. It stretches. It slows down. And under extreme conditions, it almost stops. This wasn't science fiction. It was measurable reality. Astronauts in space actually age slightly slower than people on Earth. GPS satellites must constantly correct for time distortion caused by relativity. Even your feet experience time differently than your head because gravity bends time itself. Read that again carefully. Time is affected by gravity, which means time is not some invisible cosmic clock controlling the universe. It behaves more like a physical dimension woven into space itself. This discovery led physicists toward one of the strangest ideas ever imagined, the block universe theory. According to this theory, the universe is not unfolding moment by moment. Instead, every event, past, present, and future, already exists simultaneously inside spacetime. Your birth exists. Your future exists. Every second of your life may already be written into the structure of reality itself. You are not moving through time. You are experiencing slices of something that already exists. Imagine a film reel. Every frame of the movie exists at once. The beginning. The ending. Every scene already physically exists on the strip. But when projected frame by frame, your brain experiences movement and flow. Some physicists believe reality works the same way. And this is where Richard Feynman enters the story. Feynman wasn't interested in comforting ideas. He wanted truth, even if the truth sounded insane. He understood something most people still don't. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to human beings. At the quantum level, reality becomes deeply disturbing. Particles can exist in multiple places at once. Tiny objects behave like waves of probability instead of solid matter. And some experiments suggest the future may influence the past. Yes, the future affecting the past. One famous quantum experiment shocked physicists because particles appeared to decide how they behaved based on measurements performed later in time. It was as if reality somehow knew the future before it happened. Feynman once admitted that nobody truly understands quantum mechanics. And maybe nobody ever will. Because quantum physics destroys our common sense completely. Imagine throwing a ball through the air. Normally, you think it follows one path from point A to point B. But Feynman developed an idea called the sum over histories, suggesting particles actually explore every possible path simultaneously. Not one path. Every path. Reality itself may emerge from infinite possibilities interfering with each other. That means the universe beneath everyday life is not stable and solid like it appears. It's a giant storm of probabilities constantly interacting beyond human perception. Now combine this with relativity, and time begins to completely collapse. Because if all moments exist together, then what exactly is now? Right now, somewhere in spacetime, ancient civilizations may still exist. Dinosaurs may still roam the earth. Your future self may already exist somewhere ahead in the structure of the cosmos. This sounds impossible because human consciousness experiences reality 1 second at a time. But physics keeps pointing toward the same terrifying conclusion. The flow of time may be an illusion. Even Einstein believed this. After the death of his close friend Michel Besso, Einstein wrote something haunting. He said, "For us believing physicists, the distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion." An illusion, not poetry. Physics and the deeper scientists investigate black holes, quantum mechanics, and the origins of the universe, the stranger this becomes. Near a black hole, gravity bends time so severely that minutes for one observer can become years for another. If you approached the event horizon, outside observers could see your clock nearly freeze. Imagine watching someone trapped in slow motion while the rest of the universe races forward. That's real physics. Some theories even suggest time itself may disappear entirely at the deepest level of reality. In certain equations describing the birth of the universe, time doesn't even exist as a fundamental thing. Think about how terrifying that is. Everything you've ever experienced, every heartbeat, every memory, every fear, may be built on something that isn't even fundamentally real. And yet humans structure their entire existence around time. We fear aging. We fear death. We regret the past and obsess over the future. But maybe the universe doesn't see things that way at all. Maybe every moment exists eternally. Maybe nothing is ever truly lost. Maybe your life is not a line disappearing into darkness, but a permanent structure inside spacetime itself. Feynman understood that reality is stranger than religion, stranger than philosophy, and stranger than science fiction. The closer we get to the truth, the less the universe resembles human imagination. And perhaps the greatest illusion ever created is the feeling that time is carrying you forward. Because maybe you were never moving through time at all.